guys, Alexeja here. Today we're going to be dyeing my hair again today. We have the usual colorista all over bleach. I'm not going to record me doing this part, so if you would like to see me doing this part, I have a whole video dedicated to using this bleach and how I use it and blah blah blah. So that will be linked in the description below if you would like to just watch that. But we are going to be trying something different today. I want to try Christmas themed hair. And my idea is not cotton candy, candy cane hair. I'm going to do half red and half as white as I can get it. I know I'm not going to get white, but with the bleach I'm hoping with as light as it is now, hopefully if I just put the bleach over it, it'll be white enough that it's like white, because there's not really a real way to get white without messing up your hair. So my hair is already pretty light, so I'm hoping I can get it as close to possible. And when I put the red in, it'll look nice together. It'll be half red, half white. It'll be like a nice candy cane, and I can have like my friend Savannah like French braid it or something, and it'll look like a nice braided candy cane. I have so many ideas, but I hope it turns out as good as I see it in my head. But we shall see at the end of this video. I'm sorry I am dressed all lazily. I just got off work and I have not slept yet. I have worked back to back and I have not gone to sleep yet. And I was just like, you know what? I want to dye my hair. So no sleep. I'm very in my leisure outfit and I look tired and gross. But we are going to dye my hair and give me a new look. So let's see how that goes. First things first, let's start with the bleaching process, and then I'll get back to you guys when we finish bleaching. Okay guys, so we got the hair all blonde and everything. So next we are going to part it and cut it and trim it and everything. I'm going to be doing this a split dye. I'm going to be doing the half red and half white. I got the color Wrath from Arctic Fox for my red. It is a pretty bright red. Oop. Well, there's not really any at the top. Hang on. Oop. Try not to get it everywhere. Just a bright red. And I got it all over my hands now. And I dropped the lid. Just a failure at life. Oh no. No, my fingers are staying red. Okay, you need gloves, apparently, even when you open it, because now I'm all red. Okay, anyway, so we're going to part it. I'm going to give myself, you know, the usual bangs for the half and half. And I'm going to trim this a little bit, make it a little shorter. I'm kind of nervous, but we are going to get this done, and I'm going to have this candy cane hair. We're going to do the half red and half white. I think it's going to turn out pretty good. The hair got pretty white. There's just like a tiny bit of gold, but I think it's white enough. I don't think my hair can go through another process. I mean, I did a hair mask afterwards and it's pretty soft, but there's just like some pieces here and here that just need to be trimmed, like my ends. But we're going to get that now. I'll stop babbling and let's get cutting. Okay guys, so I got my hair all trimmed up. I cut it a little shorter. I got my bangs all short. Now I'm going to decide which side I want my red and which side I want my white. And then I'll finish dividing my bangs, clip them off to the side. I got my bowl here. I don't have my actual dyeing bowl, so I just got a mixing bowl in the kitchen. Don't kill me, Mom. I got my hair dye here. I got Wrath Arctic Fox. I'll leave that in the description below so you can get it yourself. So I'll quit rambling and let's get this red on my hair so we can have this half red, half white. I'm excited and nervous and everything all at once. So let's get into this hair. Okay guys, so here's the completed candy cane hair. I hope you guys like it. I bleached this side to get it this white. My hair was already pretty blonde, so bleaching it just made it a lot lighter, and I got the roots, which I didn't think I was going to be able to get those roots because I have some dark roots, but they are gone surprisingly. And when I rinsed it, there's just like some pieces that just bled over here, so there's just like a few red stripes on the white, which is fine because it's supposed to be cotton candy, or not cotton candy, candy cane, some type of candy. It's supposed to be candy cane, so I didn't mind the red just kind of bleeding over there a little bit. And then the red on this side is actually very bright. It is Wrath from Arctic Fox. I'll leave that in the description below if you would like to try the red yourself. It is very nice. My hair is a little bit of a mess. It is not one to like sit like down the middle because my hair does not usually do that. So when I put it down the middle, it takes a few days for it to get trained and actually sit how it's supposed to sit. So I keep having these little bumps back here that just like want to sit way over here. But in a few days it'll be fine. But I did my makeup to go with this. I did green, gold, red, and white just so we can get like this Christmassy nice look that matches my hair. It's Jeffree Star makeup. I did the Alien palette, and the Blood Sugar palette is a mixture of both. And then my lips are the new lipstick. It's called Jeffree Who, and I really like it. It is a nice color. I think it all turned out really nice. This was a suggestion from one of you guys in my previous videos. One of you guys asked me to do red and white hair, so here we are. We have red and white hair. If you guys have any other suggestions of any other hair dyes, hair colors, or any other weird things that you would like to see me try, put that in the comments below and I will make that video possible so that you guys can see it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had fun making this hair. I was nervous because I didn't know how it was going to turn out, but I think it turned out really well. What do you guys think? And if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up so I know. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for any more cosplay, hair related, or any other weird things that I do. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!